Good day, everyone, and welcome to my new RC's Electronics channel. Today, I'm going to show you the hard case I made for my Skydio2 drone. Uh, I bought a cheap hard case from Harbor Freight. They the make and model is Apache 3800, which you can see from here, Apache 3800. If I remember right, it is about $45 compared to when you buy a hard case by Pelican made for Skydio, which will cost slightly less than 200. So I save $155 by buying this. Okay, this is what you see inside. I already removed the pre-cut foam to fit the drone in its accessories. Also, after removing the pre-cut foam to my liking, I sprayed the foam with the black Plasti-Dip, which I bought from Lowe's for like less than $6. I coated its sides 5 times. This is the top side and the bottom side. So I coated that one 5 times each. Um, this is how it looks like when you don't spray it with Plasti-Dip. You can see the slot in there. The foam will last longer and looks neater, just like this one here. It looks neater. You don't see those slotted or pre-cut foam, so it looks neater. And with this one here, I also put my certificate behind the foam. The certificate behind the foam, in case I needed it. I also made a PDF copy of my certificates, including my Part 107, and ready for me to call it up from my tablet or phone if authorities ask for it. Knock on wood, I never had someone ask for them. So, okay, so let us see how the devices and its accessories are housed in my DIY hard case. First is the drone. If you notice, the battery is already mounted on it, and I just put the drone there. Okay, and the controller. You will notice that I put a foam here, this white foam, to avoid the direct contact between the drone and the remote controller. Next is the charger here. This slot is for the charger. Then the filters goes here. That's the ND filter for the Skydio. The extra propellers here, 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 and here. Cables here after holding them with the shrink tubing, but you don't have to shrink the tubing using a head gun. Just put it there just to hold it. The phone stays here. Although I use this only in emergency cases. I use my 888 Pro. The battery charger stays here. The beacon although I don't use that much, I keep it here. Okay, put the lanyard there safely. And finally the battery here. And uh, you might be asking, what is that? Well, I decided to make a customized box to keep the 3 batteries that you see, as you see it here. I use the foam board from Hobby Lobby to make this one. I think the batteries are more secured this way. You see, and battery 4, battery 3, battery 2, all in here, and they all come here. So yeah, they are. And I put the long cable somewhere here, you know. Okay. And of course the lens cleaner stays here. Or you can put the cable around here too. Well, also the lens cleaner. Okay, if you have some comments, please let me know, and don't forget to subscribe and click on that notification bell to let you know if I uploaded the new video. Thank you for watching.